Good morning, my dear students of class 2. I hope you're all feeling good. So, I'm back again with another lesson of GK, and today we are going to do page 60 of our GK book. 6060. Okay, and the topic is how many. So, we are going to learn about different facts and numbers regarding different things. Okay, like how many teeth do we have, or how many colors are there in the flag. So we are going to learn about the facts regarding numbers of different things around us. Fine. So should we start? Let's begin. So students, have you opened page 60 of your GK book with the topic how many? Okay, so we start by writing down the date. And what is the date today? It is 9.2.21. Like this. Okay, so let's start reading the questions. Answer each question with a number. So we just have to write down the correct numbers in these gray boxes. Fine, according to the question. So first question is, how many faces does a dice have? You've all seen the dice now. So how many faces does a dice have? The sides, the faces of the dice? Yeah, 6. The answer is 6. The dice has 6 faces. Right. So we write down 6 in this gray box over here. Understood? So now the second question. How many colors are there in the Indian flag? In all, there are 4 colors in the flag. Saffron, white, green, and the blue chakra in the middle. Yes, so there are 4 colors. And we write down 4 in this box over here. Fine. So now question number 3. How many candies make a dozen? So a dozen means 12 pieces, yeah, of the candies. So it can be a dozen eggs means there are 12 eggs. A dozen candies means there are 12 candies. So in a similar way, anything, when it is a dozen, it means there are 12 pieces of it. Okay. So we write down 12 in this box. Now question number 4. How many runs make a century? So this is in cricket. We say na the batsman has made a century. So how many runs has he made? Yes, it's 100 runs. 100 runs make a century. Yes. Number 5. How many years are there in a silver jubilee? So, when we celebrate a silver jubilee, it means 25 years have passed. So, a silver jubilee has 25 years. Okay. Now, question number 6. How many zeros follow the 1 in 1 lakh? So if we write down 1 lakh, so how many zeros will come after 1? Do you know that? Yeah, and the answer is 5 zeros. Yes, there are 5 zeros which follow 1 in 1 lakh. Okay, 1, then 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 5 zeros. Okay, it makes 1 lakh. Okay. So now question number 7. How many minutes make an hour? So in 1 hour, how many minutes are there? Yes, we all know about it now. 60 minutes. Yes. 1 hour has 60 minutes. 60. Done. So now we move to question number 8. How many squares are there on a chessboard? So you've all seen the chessboard now. So it's made of different squares. Yes. So how many squares are there in all in a chessboard? Yeah, the correct answer is 64. Yes, 64 squares are there in a chessboard. Okay, 64 squares are there on a chessboard. Fine. So now we move to question number 9. How many days make a fortnight? So a fortnight has 2 weeks. So how many days are there? 14 days. Yes, 14 days make a fortnight. When we say a fortnight has passed, means 14 days have passed. Okay. So now question number 10. How many months in a year have 31 days? So do you know the different months which have 31 days? Starting with January, then March, then May, July, August, October, and December. So in all, how many months are there which have 31 days? 7 months. Yes, the answer is 7 months. 7 months have 31 days. So now question number 11. How many babies make a triplet? So if some lady gives birth to triplets, it means she has given birth to 3 babies. Yes, 3 babies make a triplet. Okay. So now the last question. How many teeth does an adult human have? So when you become an adult, then how many teeth do you have? And the answer is 32. Yes, 32. So there are some teeth which come later when you grow up. So when you become an adult, then we all have 32 teeth. Okay. Great. So now let's read the tidbits also. Ancient Egyptians developed the art of counting large numbers by using pictographs or picture symbols. For example, the number 1000 was shown by an image of a lotus, and the number 2000 was shown by an image of 2 lotuses in a bush. Amazing, na? Yeah, so we've learnt about so many numbers today. So will you remember these facts? Great. So that's all for today. Bye bye. Take care.